Hey guys, Ben here from Velflex. Now I'm going to show you a little trick for doing tag labels in the back of shirts, but not using a normal press, using a hat press, right? In particular right here, we've got the Hotronix 360 IQ. Now because of that curved base, that's something obviously we know it for caps, but it's also really good for doing those care labels, those size labels in the back of different garments. And I'm going to show you how easy it is, guys. So here I've got a shirt right here. Now pretty much all you do is you're placing the shirt like that and then pull the front down. It's as simple as that. Taking your shirt, done, you can hold it here by the neck, and you're literally placing and then pulling the front down so that we don't get a heat mark, guys. See this area right here? Perfect for putting a size label, something like that in place. Boom, press down, lock it in. We're gonna give this a good 10-second press. You could do probably 6 to 7 seconds, no problems at all, okay? And then just the quick peel, just like that. And that there is a care label on a shirt using the Hotronix 360 IQ Hat Press. Obviously your Hotronix STX as well, just as good for doing the neck labels, that sort of thing. So if you have a cap press, you're doing the front of transfers on garments and things like that, but you want to do your size care labels, don't forget about your hat presses being versatile to be able to do those sorts of things for you as well. Cheers, guys.